वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल अगेन। तो आज हम देखेंगे जे एडवांस 2021 का मैट्रिक्स का ये बहुत बढ़िया सवाल। इस सवाल में बिल्कुल बेसिक्स इस्तेमाल करके जे एडवांस ने सवाल आपको दिया था, लेकिन थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन का हेर फेर है। ध्यान रखिएगा, इन द एग्जाम यू विल कन्फ्रंट टू थिंग्स, इधर यू विल कन्फ्रंट कैलकुलेशन और यू विल कन्फ्रंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स। एडवांस की खासियत यह है कि वहाँ पे दोनों का ही बैलेंस बहुत अच्छा है। Concept wise, the question is very good, and calculation wise, it is much good. So let's see this advanced 2021 paper 1 question of matrices. So I found it very much profounding, so that's why I bring it to you. Now let's read the question. We have a matrix M 3 into 3, and M, this symbol mod M, denotes the determinant of M. I be the identity matrix and I minus EF is invertible. If G equals to I minus EF power minus 1, then which of the following options are true? It is a multi-correct, and we have to tell from out of these four which options are correct. Now first thing is this matrix is invertible, right? ये invertible है और हमें एक G भी दे रखा है. So let's write this again, I minus EF inverse. Now what I will do for my calculation purpose, I'll assume this as A. So this is G equals to A inverse. Now I will multiply with A both sides. So A into A inverse, and we know this property, A into A inverse is how much? I. What is A, I assume? I minus EF. So let's suppose this is G and this is I. Multiply, I multiply with any matrix will be the same matrix. So G minus EFG equals to I. And from here I can tell G minus E is how much? EFG. Equation number 1 I can say. Till here clear? Now same thing I will do, because I multiply A on the front end. Now I will multiply A on the back end. So G into A inverse into A, again I. What is A? I minus EF, and this is I. Multiply this inside, so this is G minus GEF, and this is I. So I can say G minus E is equal to how much? GEF. Now if you compare this first and second equation, EFG and GEF, are they equal? Yes sir, they are equal. So we can say, we can conclude from here, EFG is equals to GEF. Clear? So in this my C option is correct, but we have to check all other options because it is a multi-correct. So let's see the all other options. Now let's check the B option, I minus FE into I plus FGE, and we have to prove that it will be I. Let's see whether it is coming or not. Let's multiply I into I square, and again I square is I. I multiply with any matrix, it will be the same matrix, so it will be FGE only. FE multiply with I, it will be FE minus FE multiply with FGE. Now let's see this EFG. EFG is GF, but in the previous thing we have seen that EFG is equals to how much? G minus I. So now here what I can say, in place of EFG I can put as, in place of EFG I can put as G minus I. So this is I plus FGE minus FG, this is F, and this is G minus I into E. Now let's solve this. I plus FGE minus FG, minus this will be FGE, and minus minus plus, multiply with I, so same matrix, so it will be FE. Clear? From this side F, this side E. Any doubt to anyone? Now FG is clear to FG, means FG is multiply with FG, and we left with how much? We left with F, this is FE, not FG. There is a mistake, this is FE. That's why I'm thinking this is FE. So now FE multiply with FE cancel with FE. So what left? This is I. So I minus FE into I plus FG is equals to how much coming? That is I. So my second option is also correct. So B also correct, C also correct. Now let's check with the D option. What should be the D possibility? D is, if you can see here, I minus FE, I minus Fe into I minus FGE. Now let's multiply this I into I minus I multiply with this same matrix FGE. Fe multiply with I is Fe plus multiply this FGE. Now again I minus FGE minus Fe plus, now in place of EFG what I will put G minus I using my first equation. So now let's see whether it is coming or not. FGE minus Fe and plus FGE and minus I multiply with this, so same matrix Fe. FG cancel with Fe, but Fe is not cancelling here. So Fe is twice of Fe. So I minus 2 Fe. So this is not equal to I. So my this option is wrong. This is not correct. So till now B and C. Now let's check with the A option also. A, you can see there is how we should proceed, that is the main thing. So what I will do, I will take in this statement, I will take the RHS, okay, because RHS we can solve more better. So it will be I minus Fe and multiply with the determinant of FGE. Now we know a property, right? What is the property? AB determinant is mod A into mod B. If orders are same, square matrix, right? So now if reverse process I can also do. So what I will do, I minus Fe multiply with FGE determinant. Now let's multiply. I multiply with this, so FGE minus FGE. Now what is my EFG value? My EFG value will be G minus I and it is E. So let's see whether it is coming or not. FGE minus FGE minus minus plus multiply with I, same matrix, so Fe. So this will get cancelled and we'll left with determinants of Fe. So option A is also correct, option B is also correct, option C is also correct. So in this question, the JEE Advanced has not asked any much deeper concept. Simple, if you can say, multiplication of the matrices they have asked. So this question is very unique question which I found, and one more question is there, one more question I will bring to you. That question is really very tremendous as compared to this one. I think that question is also from 2021 or 2019, that I'm not very much sure, but that question is also very good, and I will bring that question also. Very typical advanced level problems. I hope you enjoy this video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.